Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The question says the ratio of the equivalent resistance of the network shown in figure between the points A and B when switch is open and switch is closed is X ratio 8. The value of X is. So firstly, the key concept is whenever resistance, which is let's say R1 and R2 are in series, जैसे कि हम एक सर्किट मान लेते हैं जिसमें दो रेजिस्टर्स लगे हुए हैं R1 और एक R2, जिस तरीके से कनेक्ट हो रखे हैं मतलब कि ये सीरीज में है, देन इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस comes out to be R1 plus R2. In second condition, when two resistors are in parallel, which will be like, इसका भी सर्किट बना लेते हैं जैसे कि ये वाला R1 है और नीचे लोअर ब्रांच पे R2 है, तो अब ये वाला कनेक्शन पैरेलल का होता है, तो पैरेलल के कनेक्शन में इक्वल रेजिस्टेंस is equals to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2, which will be equals to R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. अब पहला केस देखते हैं जिसमें स्विच ओपन है, इसका मतलब सर्किट फॉर्म इज जिस वायर पे ये स्विच कनेक्टेड है वो ओपन है मतलब कि उसमें से कोई करंट फ्लो होगा ही नहीं क्योंकि वो ओपन है. सो सर्किट विल बी दिस इज R and this is 2R and they both are in series. In below branch also it is same, it is 2R, this is R. Assume that this is R1 which both are in series और सीरीज में सम करते हैं तो it is 2R plus R equals to 3R. And same in the lower branch which is let's say R2, इसमें भी ऊपर वाले ब्रांच की तरह सम हो जाएगा यानी कि 2R plus R equals to 3R. R equivalent will be 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2, क्योंकि जैसा हमें सर्किट में दिख रहा है कि R1 और R2 अलग अलग ब्रांच में है मतलब कि ये दोनों पैरेलल कनेक्शन में है, तो उस केस में 3R multiply by 3R upon 3R plus 3R, so it is equals to 3R by 2, and this is the case of open switch. Now in the second case जिसमें switch closed है, then in that case current will flow from here to here also, and same the current will also flow from here to here also. That means they all have a common point which is this, and same is the common point this. So if this is X being connected with same wire, it will also be X. तो अब सर्किट ऐसा बनेगा कि ऊपर वाले ब्रांच में this is R, this is 2R connected to common point which is X. Then again there is bifurcation, this is 2R and this is R. तो अब अगर देखें तो हमारे लेफ्ट साइड में ये R और 2R पैरेलल कनेक्शन में है which is let's say R1 and this is connected also in parallel which is let's say R2. So R1 is equals to 2R multiplied by R upon 3R, which is 2R by 3. Same goes with R2 which is 2R by 3. Now R equivalent will be in series which is R1 plus R2 which is 2R by 3 plus 2R by 3 and it is 4R by 3. Now अब हम मान लेते हैं कि ओपन के लिए R इक्विवेलेंट है तो क्लोज के लिए R डैश इक्विवेलेंट होगा. So ratio will be open by close which is R equivalent upon R dash equivalent. R equivalent is 3R by 2 and R dash equivalent is 4R by 3. So ratio comes out to be 9 by 8. तो अगर अब हम कंपेयर करें तो X ratio 8 में X हमारा 9 है. So the final answer is the value of X is 9. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck.